Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Creatives by Samantha. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image or text without using Canva's background removal tool. Now, this is especially helpful if you're using the free version of Canva and don't have access to the premium features. So now I do want to mention that this tutorial is based on using a Mac. So if you're on a Windows PC, this exact method may not work for you. However, I'll do my best to find a workaround for Windows users, and if I do, I'll make a separate video just for that. So hang tight. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. On my screen, you'll see a logo for a restaurant in Barbados called Chefette Restaurant. At first glance, you might not notice the white background behind the logo, but once I move it onto a different background, which in this case is yellow, you'll see that this has a solid white background around it. Plus, there is a faded yellow area inside the circular part of the design that we also want to remove. If you've already created your logo or image in Canva, go ahead and save it as a PNG. Next, minimize Canva and locate the saved image on your computer. You can do this by pressing Command F to search or by clicking File, then Find from the top menu bar. Once you find your image, double click to open it. Now your Mac should automatically open it in the Preview app. Now we're ready to remove the background. And in order to do this, what we're going to do is in Preview, go to the top menu and click View, and then select Show Markup Toolbar. The toolbar will appear above the image, and then what I'm going to do is then click the Instant Alpha tool, and it's that second icon from the left that looks like a magic wand. Once I do that, I'm going to click anywhere on the white background of the image and then hold down the trackpad on my laptop or a mouse and then proceed to drag slightly until the area turns red. This red area is what will be removed. Now, I'm happy with the selection, so what I'm going to do is release my finger and I'll see the marching ants outline around the selected area. Once I see that, then I will proceed to press the delete button on my keyboard. If a pop-up appears asking you if you want to convert the file to a PNG, then click Convert. Now you'll see a good portion of the background has now been removed. Okay, so now we need to get more precise here. And what I'm going to start with is the yellow part of the circular logo above the chef's hat. I'll zoom in for better accuracy and again use the Insta Alpha tool. Next, I'll remove the yellow inside the trademark symbol. And then work my way to the face where I only want to keep the purple features and the rest of the face and hair, which is white, I will remove. Next, the eyes. So remember, zoom in so you can get preciseness. I like the two white lines in the bow tie, so I think I'll leave that instead. Last but not least, I'm going to focus on the letters that have white in the middle, like the E's, R's, and A's. I'll also clean up around the S's too. Key tip: if you accidentally remove too much, just hit Command Z and try again with a smaller selection. This is why zooming is ideal. Once done, I'll then zoom out and make sure everything I wanted is removed, and then go to the top menu bar and select File, then Export, and then Save Image as a PNG. Also to note, if you want to keep your original image, I highly suggest you do the export image way and not hit the save button, because if you do, the edited image will override the original and you won't get that back. So export and then save instead. Now, let's jump back into Canva and upload the image. Once uploaded, select the image to add to your page template, and voila, there you have it. Your image now has a transparent background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more Canva and digital design tips all by me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.